What is happening? What is up, guys? It is the XRP General back again with another video for you today. Um, Bitcoin obviously had a huge dump yesterday on the news that Elon Musk will no longer be accepting Bitcoin to buy Teslas. Um, you know, I want to make this video to show you guys that the narratives change, but you don't have to be worried. We still are sitting pretty. The structure of Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is still looking good, in my opinion. Um, Obviously, look at Cardano today. It's like unreal. Went up over $2, hit its all-time high, flipped XRP on the charts. Anyways, let's dive straight into the Bitcoin chart. I've posted this a few times in my videos. I'm going to continue to post it because I know everyone, as this channel grows, isn't going to go back through and look at all of my videos. This is the fib retracement from 2013. We rode up to $1,000, had a bear market. In the next bull market, which was 2017, we cruised all the way up. Look at this. I mean, it looks massive. This is what the chart looks like today, and I'll show you that here in a second. Ran up, hit that 3618, and we pulled all the way back, just hard off of that, right? You can see it right there. Where'd we hit? We came back down after hitting the 3618 up here. We came back down and hit this heart line of the Bollinger Bands, right? Now check this out. What are we doing right now? So that's back here. What are we doing right now? Ran up. This is 2017 high. Ran up, hit the 3618, pulled back, hit the heart line of the Bollinger Band. Well, what happens when you do that? Let's go back. 3618. What did we do? We hit the heart line, and then we went on this massive tear. Guys, if we just do what we did back in 2017, hit the 3618, hit the heart line, and we're off to the races. This could be the perfect setup, honestly. This is a perfect time to go long if you believe in it. I mean, just look at the Stokes and the RSI down here. This is on the weekly, guys. It's prime time. It's either this is the weirdest setup for a top ever. You don't go sideways like this for months on end at the top of a bull market. You just don't. The top of a bull market isn't going to give you that many opportunities. It's just not how it's happened in the past. You have these blow off tops where things go parabolic for a long period of time, or a very short period of time, so it doesn't allow people to sell the top. That's why I am going long here, and on top of that, I'm going into these alts hard. XRP, obviously you guys know how I feel about XRP. I am the general. Let's hop over and check out those charts. I'm gonna switch to a daily just so we can get a better view. This is kind of what I'm seeing right now. Back to that asymmetric triangle. I'm playing off these wicks on the bottom, but it's just what I see right here. I mean, if you take this full extension from the asymmetrical triangle breakout, where does it take us? That level we've been talking about, directly at that 275 mark. That, I mean, you can't. An asymmetrical triangle normally breaks out to the upside in a bullish zone. I don't see us. This is much more likely to go up and test resistance in a bullish cycle than if we break through that. Do you guys really think we're going back below? I just don't see it. It's not a sure thing. Nothing's a sure thing. But honestly, guys, with Bitcoin still being where it is in its structure on the weekly, hitting off that zone, I think we go higher from here. I really do. I don't think there's any reason to fret. I mean, look at these other coins. Why would, if we weren't in this bull market cycle, why would ADA, Cardano, be up freaking 22% today? But Bitcoin just had a massive sell-off, and we're going back down to 20 grand. You know what I mean? Like, those people that are calling for those huge drops, they aren't looking at history. They just aren't. It's simple. It shows you exactly what it's doing. And like I said, we wicked below this, but it looks like we're going to close somewhere around here. My guess is next week or the week after, guys, we're off to the freaking races. Because if this starts to curl over too much, um, it's not going to look good for Bitcoin. But at the same time, if we break below this heart line, I'm full on cool. I'll admit I was wrong. But as long as we stay above this heart line, there's no way, guys. I just don't see it. And right now is I'm putting everything I got into this market. I'm dumping it in, especially these coins like we talk about that are lagging, the laggers. EOS still, I mean, it ran up to 15 bucks. Look at that. You can't make that up. I've had this resistance at this right here drawn for years. Absolutely years. And what do you know? We go up and just tag it and then retrace. Like, if you don't think TA works, I don't know, you're missing out big time. But like I said, this is one that, I mean, we're still over here. We're still under the 0.5 right here, just over the 382. I mean, just to get where all these other coins are, it has to more than double back to its all-time high on the weekly. More than double. And then, some of these other coins are up in here, past their all-time highs. So that's why I'm loading up on EOS, I'm loading up on XRP, I'm loading up on XLM just because of, things that we've talked about. It's still here, near its all-time high. It did pass the weekly close, but it has not closed above it. I would assume that's coming soon, though, because it is looking prime time. XLM is a great project, and I don't put a lot. I love speculating on some of these altcoins, these lower ones, but the ones that are going to be around, those are the ones you want to ride. Other projects, I haven't talked about this, but UOS is a project that I really, really like. It's the Ultra project. It is deep, and it has some people behind it. Like, the people that are involved with this project are absolutely massive, and they've done big things, and it's going to be a project to keep your eye on. I'll do a full video about Ultra at some point, just to give you guys a little bit more of an understanding of what the project is. But I'm telling you, at 45 cents right now, that is an absolute steal. It was just at 70 cents not that long ago. And the tokenomics of UOS is unreal. When they actually launch, they're in beta right now. When they actually launch, this is going to be at some point, like, just out of pure utility, a $50 to $100 coin. I really believe that. Right now, I don't have any. I had hundreds of thousands of these, and I sold all of them because I know XRP is gonna blow its freaking top off. That's how much confidence I have. I have a massive amount of XRP waiting for that moment. We have today is the 13th, and this is the day they moved the meeting back, so we're waiting on that news. I will keep you up to date. As I hear things, you guys will hear them. I will make another video if we hear anything big happening. This market is starting to turn around a little bit too after that dip we had yesterday. Like I said, guys, I don't think there's anything we need to worry about. Still above this heart line. I think we're going to get a massive, massive candle coming up here soon. And it's just so happens that it's on the 13th. Just think if we just freaking blast off from right here. Meeting comes out, SEC clears XRP. What do you think's going to happen? What do you think's going to happen, guys? This could be the day. Could be next week. I don't know. But as long as we are above this, as long as all these other coins are setting up the way they are, I think that look at this, guys. It's just textbook. Perfect. Right to its resistance. If this breaks the structure, right to its resistance. It's perfect, man. I mean, you could do little things where you bust out above this 196 level and then back test and then keep going. Nothing goes up in a straight line, but that is my next target right there, 275. And I think we make that in short order, to be honest with you. Anyways, guys, I hope you all have a great day. This is the XRP General. Have a good one.